Everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you'll be watching this video. My name is Maria-goretti. I am a website designer and I'm also an AI content creator. So I will be your coach for this challenge. And in this challenge, we are going to be learning how to design flyers using AI. Previously we have to design flyers either with Canva or photo shoots or all those other activities, but with this we are going to be designing with AI in few minutes. So in this challenge you are going to be learning how to design flyers in minutes, how to get your ideas of your flyers using AI, how to create high quality images without for your products. Those of us that that have products, probably sometimes you snap your products with your camera and it doesn't really look good. So you're going to also be learning how to create high quality images without going to photo shoots for your with your products. And also, with these designs, you can be able to build designs for your business. If you're a business owner, you can be able to create frequent flyers for your business, or if you have clients you can also build flyers for them. So the tools we are going to be using for this challenge is ChatGPT. We are not only going to be using ChatGPT for ideas and tests, we are also going to be using ChatGPT to create the flyers, but we'll be getting the ideas and the tests. That's the test that will be on the flyers, and we can also create the flyer in ChatGPT. Then Pinterest, we're going to be using Pinterest for inspiration. Like, let's say you don't even have an idea of how you want your flyer to look like, so we can go to Pinterest and get inspirations from other designers and use theirs to create something for ourselves. So now Nano Banana, we're going to be using Nano Banana. It's not just the images alone as well. We're going to use Nano Banana to also create the flyers, images. We can also use it to create images. Let's say for example you need models for your flyers. You can use it to create images for your models and add in your flyer, or you can just by default allow ChatGPT to create the images on their own. So Canva, we're going to be using Canva. you know Maybe let's say after you've tried to make the designs and some tests are not correct and you want to make some edits, you can edit the flyer on Canva. Or if what ChatGPT and Nanoban have given you are correct, there will be no need to edit. Okay, so these are the above tools we are going to be using. So this is actually the simple workflow. You go to Pinterest, find the ideas, um go to ChatGPT, you create the content, and Nano Banana, you design the flyer. Then Canva, you can edit if you want, if there are any edits you want to do. So these are what makes a good flyer. So even if ChatGPT is also going to create your flyer, you should also be able to tell it to um give you a clear headline. What makes ChatGPT is actually your prompt, like how you tell it what to do. You can tell it to give you clear headline. You can tell it to give you high quality images. You can tell it your brand colors. Maybe let's say your brand color is maybe white, blue, and orange. You can tell it, but when you come and put too many colors, it's not going to really look good. So at least like two or three colors should be very good. So, and also it should be clean layout and not being clustered. Then your flyer should always include call to action. Now, what is call to action? Call to action simply means order now, kind of maybe like if you're selling a product, you can say maybe order now, or shop now, or book a reservation, or book a call. Some things like that are ways to make call to action. Now, for this challenge, this is how you're going to participate actively. Every day, I'll be uploading a video for the day. Remember, the challenge is from today till 5th of May. So every day you watch each video. The videos are not going to be long, and they should just be like maybe 30 or 45 minutes. You watch the video, you practice immediately after watching it, submit your tasks, you can post on Facebook or LinkedIn, then tag me and Risely. Then if you have questions, you can always ask on the platform you will see where you can be able to ask questions. So you ask your questions there. And another thing, you have to stay consistently to the end, because if you're learning something new and do the task. Okay, thank you. I hope we have a beautiful moment with this challenge. Thank you so much.